Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a RAG Application, your first smart search bot with external data. Hey everyone, Chaitanya here, and today we're unlocking a major AI superpower, RAG. Imagine having an AI assistant that's not just smart, but also a super fast expert on your specific documents, websites, or company data. That's what RAG helps us build, your very first smart search bot that goes beyond generic AI. We'll break down complex ideas into simple, developer-friendly steps. No prior AI knowledge needed. You've heard of LLMs like ChatGPT, they're incredible. Think of them as super students who've read most of the internet. They can write stories, answer questions, and even code. But like any student, they have limits. 1. Their knowledge stops at a certain date. Their training cut off. 2. They sometimes hallucinate, making up believable sounding but incorrect information. 3. They don't know your private, specific data. This is where we, as developers, need a solution. Here's our solution. RAG. It stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Don't let the big words scare you. Think of it this way. You have a super smart assistant, the LLM. When you ask a question, RAG doesn't just let the assistant guess. It first quickly finds the most relevant pages from a specific library of books you provide, your external data. Then, it hands those pages to the assistant and says, "Read these, and then answer the question." This makes the AI's answer accurate, current, and relevant to your data. Building a RAG bot involves a few core components, like ingredients in a recipe. 1. Your brain, the LLM. This is the powerful language model that will actually generate the answer. But now it's guided. 2. Your library, external data. This is your custom information, PDF manuals, company wikis, website content, databases, anything. It's the knowledge base you want your AI to use. 3. Your librarian, the retriever. This is the smart mechanism that quickly searches through your library and finds the most relevant pieces of information related to the user's question. We often use vector databases and embeddings here, fancy terms for efficient ways to store in. Search text by meaning. 4. Your instructions. Prompt engineering. This is how we clearly tell the LLM, here's the user's question, and here's some information I found. Please use only this information to answer. Let's trace the journey of a question in a RAG system. 1. User asks. You type. What's the return policy for electronics? Single quote. 2. Question to retriever. Your question first goes to the librarian, the retriever. 3. Retriever searches. The retriever scans your product manual or website data, looking for parts that are most similar in meaning to return policy and electronics. 4. Relevant pages found. It finds specific paragraphs or sections about electronics return policies. 5. Question plus pages to LLM. Your original question. Along with these retrieved pages are then packaged and sent to the LLM. 6. LLM generates grounded answer. The LLM reads the retrieved information and generates a precise answer, based only on what it was given, drastically reducing errors and hallucinations. As developers, RAG is a game changer because accuracy. Your AI responses are based on real, verifiable data, not just general knowledge. Up to date. Easily update your AI's knowledge by simply adding new documents to your library without needing to retrain the entire LLM. Domain specific. Tailor AI to your exact business needs. Create a customer service bot. a research assistant for your team, or a smart internal search engine. Cost effective. Asterisk no need for expensive LLM fine-tuning for new data. You're simply extending its knowledge base. Conceptually, building a RAG bot as a developer looks like this. We'll use Python and common libraries in practice. Python. Number 1. Load your data. Your library. Documents equals load underscore your underscore data. Company underscore handbook.pdf. FAQ underscore website. HTML. Number 2. Prepare for search. The librarian. Vector underscore store equals create underscore searchable underscore index. Documents. Hash this creates embeddings and stores them. Number 3. Define your AI brain. LLM underscore model equals connect underscore to underscore language underscore model. GPT-4o. Hash or any LLM. Number 4. Build the RAG pipeline. RAG underscore pipeline equals build underscore RAG underscore system. LLM underscore model. Vector underscore store. Number 5. Ask your smartbot. User underscore question equals, what are the benefits of the new employee wellness program? Quote, answer equals RAG underscore pipeline. Query. User underscore question. Print. Answer. Don't worry about the exact code yet. The key is understanding the flow. Load data. Make it searchable. Connect an LLM. And combine them to answer questions intelligently. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.